Alright guys, what is up and welcome to Latest Factory. I'm Robbie, swing behind the camera, and today we are coming to you after this car has already blown up. So this car is my 1989 Mazda RX7 Turbo 2, and as kind of a tribute to the life of this car, enjoy this built in 10-ish minutes. Enjoy.
What's up guys? You can win my Evo and all you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Official rules will be down below. See ya.
Okay, so engine is now mostly together. We do have some small stuff left to do. We have some vacuum lines to plug up and some just like little clamps to tighten down. But besides that, it is now time to throw in the ECU. So for the actual ECU itself, we've got the Adaptronic plug and play ECU.
What are we doing today?
All right, guys. So exciting news. We actually figured out what's wrong with the FC. So pretty much what's wrong with it is the ECU, the internal map sensor, is reading incorrectly. So we switched it over to the external map sensor, and it ran just fine. So we're gonna kind of show you what's going on and what we're doing to fix it. I will be setting the ECU off to get fixed here soon, because I do need the internal map sensor because I want to run more boost than the external sensor allows me to run. So yeah, let's start this boy up.
Let's start this now. We gotta hear this turbo.
Yeah, also another thing that I found out that y'all hear very shortly is this thing has a massive street port on it, which I am quite happy about. All the wraps. All right, so Quinn has already changed all the necessary settings inside the program, the software thingy. So let's see if we can turn this thing on.
And just like that, that's such an easy startup now.
Yeah, my foot is in an off the throttle. Yeah. All right, guys, so we have made it to DBW Motorsports. I'm in the Evo. The RX7 is already here. So just a quick little update. I've been here for a few hours already, but the RX7 is having some issues. For some reason, my brand new Walbro 255 fuel pump went out. Regardless, we switched the fuel pump out. I now have fuel pressure good. It fouled another set of spark plugs. Had to search all over the current area to go find spark plugs. Found some spark plugs. Doug, my tuner, Doug at DBW Motorsports, highly recommend them. Brandon's my guy. He's fantastic. He's done a lot of the work. You can hear it. Yeah, that started. Cool. So RX7 starting, awesome. Doug is just cleaning up the base map because right now it's 100% duty cycle all across the board, which you know is not ideal. So we're gonna prep it for the dyno, and then once we get on the dyno, that's when I will film it. But for right now, it's just, you know, general maintenance again, checking everything, make sure we got fuel pressure, make sure we got oil pressure, maybe making sure everything gets up to temp properly. You know, all the fun stuff. So cool. Check back in later. Alright guys, so I'm back home. That did not necessarily go wonderful. As well, I don't know if I got footage of that, but the car was having an extremely hard time starting hot. Before that, so Brandon, the tech that owns B3, that's the shop that shared with DBW. So he's going to do a compression test on the car either tonight or later tomorrow, and he's going to get back to me with the results of the compression test. Saturday did not go as planned, but we know the next steps that we have to take. If the compression test comes back bad, I got to figure out what I want to do. Yeah, let's hope that it doesn't come back bad.